In my previous video, I've shown you how to see hidden videos on YouTube playlist, and some people have commented that they would like to see the title of the song or the video. So in this video, I will show you how to find deleted videos. First of all, click on the title of the playlist to get to the playlist. Click on the kebab menu icon and then select show unavailable videos. And now you could see the deleted videos, but unfortunately, it doesn't give the title of the deleted video. Luckily, there is a trick to find the deleted video. All you got to do is to select the deleted video and very quickly go to the video's URL and copy it. And very quickly this page disappears. Now if I go back and pause, you could see why that video was deleted. And it's because of a copyright claim by SME. It can be many other claims or reasons. Now open a notepad and paste the URL that we have just copied. This is the trick. The video's URL is the letters and numbers just after the equal sign and before the and sign. So select it and copy it. Now go to Google and paste and search the video's URL. And from the results, it is quite obvious that the deleted video was an Aerosmith song, I Don't Wanna Miss a Thing. And actually someone else has uploaded the same video and in the title has put the same URL of the deleted video. And now that you know the name of the song, you could go to YouTube and search the song to find the same video, which you could then save it to your playlist that it was deleted from. And if you want, watch my previous video to learn how to remove the deleted videos from the playlist now that you have replaced it with another video. If this video helped you to find your deleted videos, then please don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel. And if you still got any questions, please don't hesitate to comment below.